My question to our second topper answered, but 20% answered. What is the reason for so much cholesterol? Can you make out? Full cholesterol, बढ़ गया है पूरा, arteries को अंदर से लपट लिया पूरा. What is the reason for cholesterol so much? The boys who are standing, can you bring 4 books from your bag? If you have brought, anybody has books? Yeah, 4 books लेके आ, तेरे bag से. Bring from your bag only 4 books, any book boy. Whole life you'll understand the method. My question fast. Yes, boy, pericardium I'm not interested. Myocardium I'm not interested. Endocardium I'm not interested. Same layers are repeated in my uterus. Perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium. P for perimetrium, sorry, P for pericardium, protection. Sternum तो हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. What is behind sternum to protect the heart? No, lungs are this side. ये रहा sternum. Sternal angle नहीं. Sternum के direct पीछे जो heart है, it is obliquely placed. Baba, heart is obliquely placed so that the left. Yeah, in that books, no. Diaphragm. No, diaphragm wrong. Then, ठीक है brother. Whole life you will understand now why cholesterol is present. Hey, ये book देना. Oh, it's so hot, no. Hey, one more book you gave me, no. One more book you give me. Oh, can I move? I can, but my speed has become less. One more book, Dela. I can't. Understood now? Cholesterol is one of the wrong thing. Little bit is good for lubrication and for lubricative purposes. ज़्यादा जमने लगा, heart lap dhap 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 lap dhap. Today's young boys and girls cannot go. They want to go. Hostel से Sunday को outing मिल रहा है. They want to go somewhere, etc. Auto, चल यार share करके जाते. Okay, walking please. You are in Banchan Tree side, no?
No, sir.
Banchan Tree side. Yeah. On that side, no? So you want auto. Baba, your mama can use auto. Understanding? Oh, no, sir, we are sharing, we can go easily, we have put lots of makeup, etc. Travel, at least one way you go in auto, return back by bus or something. Why I am saying this cholesterol, see, easy method. Teachers should use easy examples so that whole life you will remember. Hey, if I tell you complicated words, you will not remember. This method is book wala. You will teach to your friends also. Am I right? Yes. So this is a beautiful structure, apex of the heart, beating towards the left nipple. When our doctor is checking the heart rate, it should check it like that. Lap, 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 lap. Arch of aorta is. Oh, I will show you one more easy example. This is what who is that? Who is that? You girl. Bring it. No, give to me. Stop. Sir, I will give it. Sir, why you are calling her? 2 minutes. Whole life to remember. Give it. No. Thank you, ma'am. Go back. Can you see arch of aorta? Arch of aorta, please. 3 beautiful pipes come from that. Number 1, subclavian artery. Sub below clavicle के नीचे रहता है. मेरे से पूरा हाथ को blood supply will go down. I become axillary. I become here brachial. I become radial ulnar. I become superficial palmar arch. छोड़ दो. Next is my something called as after subclavian artery brachiocephalic. Brachiocephalic का मतलब anybody? Yes, ma'am. Meaning of the word brachiocephalic. Subclavian का पता चल गया. We got to know. Correct, amma? Sub means ಕೆಳಗೆ, clavicle ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಇರೋದನ್ನ subclavian ಹೆಸರು. Anybody? What is brachiocephalic? Anybody? Baba, you are answering like this. Till now, I had respect for you. The artery is breaking, so it's called brachial.
Sir, brachium means.
Superb. This girl is. Oh my God. What's your name? Again, ma'am. Buy secondary books. Buy secondary books. You are going with distinction. I salute your mom and dad for having you like this. Okay? I a doctor, salute your mom and dad because अपनी बेटी कितनी तारीफ की बात ना. When somebody from Karnataka is salute, why are you crying? What I just told you. Don't cry. Okay, I salute. So beautiful, excellent she is. Understanding? You deserve. Remember his name. She will go very far in her life. She will not stop at BPT or something. MPT and abroad and this is that thing. I'm sorry girl, what's your dad's job?
Clerk.
Clerk, mama? Housewife. Brother?
Brother 12th.
12. Oh, my daughter should be like this. Okay? My daughter should be like this. So proud her parents. Everything she's answering. Breakai. Okay? Breakai means arm. Sapharis means head. Additional. Hey, what did this happen, man? What was this natak I did that time? Correct? Nandini, did I put any effort to throw it down? Gravity pull. Excuse me. Thoracic, abdomen, aorta, blood will go down. Aishwarya is standing now. Our boys are standing here. Blood easy se jayega. King is located here. I'm sorry, not done for you. King is located here. Brain. Hey, मुझे filter petrol चाहिए. Hey, why flight tickets are so expensive? मुझे मुंबई जाना है 6,000 7,000 का लगता है बाबा. तो ट्रेन में तो लग जाएगा खासा. I can go in 800. बस में चला लूँगा मैं 300 500 में. फ्लाइट का टिकट कितना? Less time. Very good answer. Baba, they use filter petrol for that. Filter petrol is damn expensive. They put that cost on us. Got the point? Everybody can't afford flights. So the flight, etc. Stop. My question is, I am the master. Hey, puri body, mere se chalna hai pura. I am the head. Police is not checking that you are wearing jeans pant or t-shirt, helmet, correct? Hey, understand? Because this is the first thing to get accident. Head is the most important thing which gets injured, man. Instantaneous death comes. Next is seat belt in car. Sternum. Have you seen? Most of the accidents happen when the car ka steering wheel comes in front. Boys standing here. Today you are first years. I'm talking about localites and boys I'm talking. Localites and that is hostelites. Daddy ko force kar. Bike mangayega Bangalore. When young bloods sit on a bike or something, car, to show off, you drive very fast. When you go in with family or something, remember something. 4 years, no? Mosquito bites till your mother cannot sleep all night there. I have lost many students in this college with accidents. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. What will happen when you go on a family trip? Correct? Your friends are there, etc. Family trip, daddy, mama are there to guide. Hey, slow chala, hey, ghar khada. When you are alone with your sinking group, correct? You go very fast to show off young blood and do accidents and die. Disaster will happen. We do not know what will happen at 9:35. How can I tell about future? So don't drive fast. Bangalore is not your village. Bangalore is not, stall for traffic, right? So, forget it. What I was telling to you people, something very important. What was this?
Break your
So my student took 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. नीचे आके उठा के दिया. Am I right?
Yes.
But arch of aorta, this artery called common carotid artery has to push the blood upwards. And brain, filter petrol mangta hai. So God give you additional backup. You learn in PT neuro called vertebral artery. Sir, PT neuro classes don't miss one also. Because man will teach you about common carotid artery. It's bulb. Bulb? What is carotid bulb? I think you don't know. Okay, you don't know that. If you had known, there is a Nishchal, what is carotid bulb? Increasing the pressure towards the upper part. Okay, carotid artery check. External, do bache. Internal has a big swelling like that called carotid bulb and carotid sinus, which pressures up and then push the blood. Sir, easy se batao na. Akka wahan pe na, she's putting water to plants with pipe. 5 plants are that side. So she puts the pressure. When you pinch something, artificial pressure generates. Superbly given by coronary artery. It goes up and he said, bhai, akele mere se bench nahi hoga. Vertebral artery from subclavian it comes up. Correct? Can you help me? Yeah, we both will come separate. कि अगर इंजुरी हो गई, if you get injured, we should not be damaged. हम दोनों तो आगे से मैं पीछे से आता. We form a beautiful BPT. Stroke rehabilitation is done by BPT, called as circle of Willis. What is it? Circle of Willis. Lot of things are there. Please, in 4 hours I cannot teach full anatomy. I'm trying my level best here. All of you understanding?
Yes, sir.
What you have to study in detail. What is yes, but what is your name? You know conduction system of heart? SA node, AV node, very good.
Yes, sir.
You know about internodal path.
Internodal.
What is moderator band? This is where you people are. You are all studying good, but you are superficial. What is moderator band? Your BPT, please tell Dr. Lavanya, ma'am, details से पढ़ाओ, सारा हम लोगों को मार देंगे. वैभव में वही आ रहे हैं. Moderator band का पूरा सिक्के. Today you are all smartphones are there. I cannot tell lies to you. What is moderator band, Aishwarya? Yes, boy, your answer is nice. Leader, what is moderator band? No. Band, I said. First of all, are you drawing diagrams?
Yes, sir.
All of you are drawing a separate diagrams book? Yes, okay. Anatomy is drawing. 70% you have to draw and 30% you have to learn. From that time students are standing. Now little bit theoretical dissection will go. All of you sit down there. Come to the table please. So Nishchal, call those attenders.